Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money with your Opay account. So as you can see, you can purchase airtime with your Opay account, you can buy data with your Opay account, pay for your betting, pay for your TV subscriptions, your electricity, your internet, school and exams, and many more. Okay, so if you go to your airtime, you see that you can get 1.5 naira back if you buy 15 naira airtime with Opay. Okay, so with 100 naira, if you buy 100 naira airtime, you get 3 naira back. If you buy 200 naira, you get 6 naira back, and so on. Okay, so with the 2000 naira, you get 16 naira back. Okay, so Opay actually pays you back a little money for using their services, okay, to buy your airtime. Unlike our regular banks, we take money from you. Okay, so if you buy airtime with your regular bank, they actually charge you for that service. Okay, but Opay actually pays you a little token for that service. And you might see this token like it's small and all that, but if it accumulates up, it becomes something you can use in the future. Okay, and if you go to your data also, you can see if you buy data of 100 MB for 100 naira, you get paid 3 naira. 200 naira, 200 MB for 200 naira, you get 6 naira back. Okay, and if you scroll down to the big 20 gig for 5,000 naira, you actually get 150 naira back. Okay, which our regular banks do not do. Okay, so this is another way, and if you accumulate this, it can turn to something that you can use in the future. Probably maybe you want to subscribe and you do not have cash, your cashbacks have accumulated to like maybe 2,000 naira or 1,000. You can actually use that to purchase your airtime. Okay, another way you can make money with Opay is go to the reward section. Okay, so as you can see, you can, if here tomorrow, because I already claimed this, okay, today, so I have 7 naira. Tomorrow, every day, you see on this section that says daily cashbacks, you see get display that says 7 naira, you see get. Okay, you just click on the get and it actually gives you between 1 naira to 20 naira. Okay, so you can get 2 naira, you can get 5 naira, you can get 20 naira, you can get 15 naira. Okay, so you just give you this cash. You can actually use it to make purchase for airtime, data, and all that. Okay, so another way you can make money with Opay is through their referral program, which I think is one of the best, okay, among all these methods. Okay, so once you click on the referral program, okay, so you refer and earn. So with the referral program, you get paid 800 naira per person that you refer to Opay. Okay, so once you refer one person, you get 800 naira. If you refer two people, that's 1,600. And the sweet thing again is that when you refer, the person that you refer actually gets 1,002. Okay, but the person does not get this 1,002 if the person does not use a referral link that you shared with the person. Okay, so for instance, if you share the referral link with a friend and the friend doesn't use your referral link and just go straight ahead to Play Store to go and download the app himself, then it's not going to get this 1,002. It's going to have to use your referral code or referral link to register for Opay before they get this 1,002. Okay, so but for you to get the 1,800 that they're going to give you, this person actually has to complete the registration process and make a deposit of 1,000 naira into their Opay account. Then you get automatically get 800 naira, and the person also gets 1,200 into their own Opay account. So how do you share your link with your friends? Okay, so if you go to this QR code, okay, so you just click on share here. Once you click on share, it just brings up your let's say your WhatsApp. Okay, and if you just go and click on a WhatsApp link, let me use this. Okay, if you click on a contact that you want to share it with, then all you just have to do is you share, just send. So once you send this, they actually give you a link, so you can just copy that link and send it to the person. Okay, because if you copy this, tell the person to use this code, this 8140, some people might not use it when they are creating their account, so it's better to just share, then copy. There will be a link that will be sent to you. Well, you just use that link and send it to the person, that a friend that you want to invite to Opay, and once that person clicks on the link, it automatically just inputs your invitation code for the person, and is automatic, so the person doesn't have to start typing it themselves and all that. So once that is done and the person makes a payment of 1000 naira into their Opay account, then you get 800 naira and the person gets 1 2. Okay, so if you invite like let's say for instance you invite 20 people to Opay, okay, so you're going to be getting 800 naira each person. That's 16 naira, okay, and 16,000 naira, sorry. So you see, so there's great potential. The more people you invite, the more money you make with Opay. Okay, so if you want to get started with Opay and create your own account, you can check the description in this video and there will be a link for you to create your account with Opay, and you also get 1002, okay, for using the link to create your account. Okay, and you can start inviting your own friends also to start using Opay along with you and enjoy these benefits. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and do have a lovely day and keep winning.